every device that you can think of, whether it's a mobile handset or an iPad or a tablet, there's only one thing that they all have in common. They all have a 2.4 or 5 gig radio in them. So it's the greatest ecosystem on the earth. Whether you're a phone company or a wireless carrier, using a solution to get to every device possible is critical for it to be competitive.
Now we're starting to see the reemergence of Wi-Fi in the outdoor hotspot arena. It's turning into a service that our customers can use to help improve their stickiness and provide mobile and nomadic services that augment their existing fiber and DSL type service offerings.
We have to start thinking differently, and thinking differently means working with partners maybe that you would have never envisioned working with before. We are trying to focus on how do you leverage the network investments, how do you leverage the spectrum that you own, how do you leverage the market position that you have, and how can you work together to make sure that rural wireless is a viable option.
The multitude of use cases for Wi-Fi are going to lead people into your service territory. The Tier 1 wireless providers, other Tier 1 MSOs want to have their presence in your service territory. You have two choices: build a network and sell them access to it, or stand there and watch them build a network. The substantial revenue opportunity to be gained from a Wi-Fi deployment can be owned by you, or they can be owned by your competition.
So when it comes to service provider Wi-Fi, CCI offers the full solution set, from surveys and design all the way to deployment, optimization, and managed services after the fact.
One of the things we're finding with Wi-Fi strategy is that our customers need to be supported throughout that implementation and that process. That's one of the things we bring to the whole process and the solution, is that CCI is there, from engineering support to marketing support to administrative support as we go through the integration process. If things don't work out exactly like they should, and sometimes they don't, CCI will be there along with Cisco to make sure that that project gets completed correctly and on time.
When you look at the cost of deploying Wi-Fi compared to the cost of deploying fiber, it's a much lower cost and a much faster time for deployment. So it gives an opportunity for our service provider to build this out quickly and obtain revenues sooner.